Hey everyone! If you're looking to earn some extra money on your own time, there are a lot of apps that will help you make that dream come true. One of the apps that I've tried and is quite popular is DoorDash. I started out ordering food from DoorDash, but wanted to see firsthand what it's like working for the company as well. From what I've read, DoorDash is one of the higher paying food delivery services out there for their drivers. On a good weekend, I've raked in about $25 an hour, which includes variable tips. $3 is usually the tip minimum, but I've gotten higher other times. You need to set up a schedule a couple hours ahead before you dash if the area you are in isn't busy. But if it is very busy already, let's say you're in downtown, DoorDash will automatically let you dash right away because orders for them are constantly coming in. So let's review the pros and cons. I like that I can work when I want and however long I want. So if it's just a couple of hours or if an emergency happens and I need to leave, I can easily select Stop Dash. Payment is scheduled and in your account within a week, but there is an option in which you can get your money even faster with Fast Pay. For the cons, I have had one incident where it took me to the wrong address, but it wasn't too far away, and you could always call the customer directly to get the right information. And if the area isn't busy, then you may have to wait for a while in your car to see if another order will come, which is uncertain. That is why it is good to schedule your dash ahead of time so DoorDash can accommodate already scheduled orders with your time. Usually it gets busy Monday through Fridays, 9 a.m., 12 p.m., and 5 p.m., depending on where you are. On weekends, for me, breakfast times around 9 a.m. are usually very active. Anyway, all in all, DoorDash is a great way to make extra side money. Not quite enough to fill a full-time job though, but it will give you the flexibility that you crave if you have extra free time. If you have any questions, feel free to message me. I've provided the Dasher link to sign up in the description box. Thanks for watching.